In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter collections using tags on Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your Shopify store's organization, this is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. On the left panel, you'll see a multitude of options, but for our purpose today, let's click on Products, and from there, select Collections. This section is key, as it allows you to manage the collections in your store, shaping how your product offerings are grouped and presented to your customers. Now, you have a decision to make. You can either create a new collection if you're starting from scratch, or you can click on an existing collection if you wish to edit and refine it using tags. Whether you're creating new or updating an old collection, both paths lead to the same goal: efficiently showcasing your products. After you've selected or created the collection of your choice, you'll be in the editing field. Here, under the Products section, you'll have the opportunity to add products to your collection. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to carefully curate which items to display. To kick things off, click on Browse. This allows you to peruse through your products and is crucial for selecting items to include in your collection. Now, here's where using tags becomes incredibly powerful. Tags enable you to automatically filter and show all products that match a particular tag, streamlining the process and ensuring consistency across your collection. Next, click on Add Filter. From the drop-down menu, select Tags. This is going to be your primary tool for filtering. Once you've chosen tags, select the specific tag or tags you want. This could be anything you've previously tagged your products with, such as seasonal themes, product types, or any custom tag you've implemented. By adding these tags, you easily filter through your inventory, ensuring only those products with the selected tags are included in your collection. This is a fantastic way to keep your collection dynamic, as any new product automatically gets added to the collection as long as it has the correct tag. This not only enhances your store's organization, but also saves you a tremendous amount of time in the long run. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your Shopify collections using tags. With just a few clicks, you've created an efficient and streamlined display for your store, enhancing your customers' shopping experience and making your job a lot easier. Thanks for joining me, and happy selling.